Hi, good evening all. Welcome back to Nibra's online class. It's me, your Srisha Miss. Now you can understand who is your maths teacher. All of you ready? Let's start our mathematics class. Okay, so all of you take your textbook, page number 15. Ready? The heading is how many cards? Do you hear the word cards? Yes, in the previous class, yes, we discussed about card games. Okay, here also they given 4 cards. The red, green, blue and yellow cards. Tell me, how many points make one red card? Yes, one red card makes 1000 points. Okay, then one green card makes how many points? Yes, 100. Very good. Then one blue card is equal to? Yes, 10 points. And then last one yellow card is equal to 1. Okay, then all of you look at the page. There is a table. The table shows the points 4 children got in the card game. So here they given the points of 4 children got in the card game. Okay, so നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് കാർഡ് ഗെയിമിൽ കിട്ടിയ ചിൽഡ്രൻ്റെ എന്താണ്? യെസ്, പോയിൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ എന്താണ് ചെയ്തത്? യെസ്, അവർ നമുക്ക് നമ്പേഴ്സ് തന്നു കാർഡ്സിൻ്റെ. ദെൻ വി ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് യെസ് ദ ടോട്ടൽ point. Okay, so here they given the total point. We want to calculate the number of cards. All of you ready? Okay, so there are 4 children: Achu, Joni, Rani and Jaya. Okay, so there are Achu, Joni, Rani and Jaya. And also the point, Achu got 3140 points, Joni got 2303 points, Rani got 3122 points, the last one Jaya get 2006 points. Okay, so now also given, yes, here is red and green, blue, yellow. Okay, so we want to calculate the number of cards from the point. Okay, so first one, yes, here write 3 1 4 0. Okay, so how we calculate the number from the point? Yes, tell me, from this point, yes, we want to calculate the number. Okay, so for that you write 3140. Okay, so how many thousands in this number? Yes, 3000s. Okay, so here 3000. And then how many hundreds are here? Yes, 100. Okay, and then how many tens are here? Yes, 4 tens. That means 40. Okay, and 0 ones. Okay, so 3000. Look at this, 3000. How many red card make the point 3000? How many red card make 3000? One red card is equal to 1000 point. Then 2 red card is equal to 2000. And the last 3 red card is equal to 3000. Okay, so 3 red card makes 3000. So here write 3. Okay, then 100. How many green card makes the point 100? Yes, how many green cards? Yes, 1 green card is equal to 100. So here write 1. Okay, then the third one 40. How many blue cards make 40? 1 blue card is equal to 10. And then how many blue cards make 40? Yes, 2 blue card is equal to 20. And then 3, 30. And then last 4 blue card is equal to 40. So here write 4. Okay, and the last one 0 yellow cards. Okay, clear? Okay, the next one, Joni. He got the point 2303. Okay, so 2303. Okay, so how many thousands in 2303? How many thousands? Yes, 2000s. So here write 2000. Okay, how many hundreds are here? Yes, 300s. And then how many tens are here? Is there any tens? No. Then how many ones are here? Yes, 3. Okay, so Look at this, 2000. How many red card makes the point 2000? Yes, 1 red card is equal to 1000. Then, yes, 2 red card is equal to 2000. So, here write 2. Okay. So, next 300. How many green card makes 300? How many green card makes? Yes, 1 green card is equal to 100. Then, yes, 3 green card is equal to 300. So, 3 green card. Okay. Is there any blue card? No. So, here write 0. Okay. The last one. Yes, yellow cards. How many yellow cards here? Yes, the point is 3. How many yellow cards make the point 3? 1 yellow card is equal to 1. Then 2 yellow card is equal to 2. Then 3 yellow card is equal to 3. So, here 3 yellow cards. Okay, clear? Okay. Next, then you calculate the number of points did Rani and Jaya got. Okay, for that I will give you a few minutes. Okay, do it fast. Okay, all of you finish? Then look at this. Do you get this answer? If you have any mistake, then correct your answer. Okay, so first one Rani and then second one Jaya. Rani got 3122 points. Then Jaya got 2006. Here, yes, 3 red cards and 1 green card, 2 blue card and 2 yellow cards. Okay, then here, yes, 2 red cards. There is no green card and blue card and 6 yellow cards. Okay, clear? Okay, then next. Achu got 3140 points from 3104 tens. Okay, so in 3140 there are 300s and then 3104 tens, right? Okay, so how do we write 2303 in this way? Okay, so we want to write 2303. Okay. So, we want to calculate how many thousands in 2303 and how many hundreds are here and how many tens and how many ones. Okay, ready? Okay, so how many thousands are here? Yes, 2 thousands. Okay, so here write 2 thousands and then yes, how many hundreds are here? 2300s. So, 300s, 2000s and 300s. Okay, and then how many tens are here? Is there any tens? No, then. So, 0 tens. And then how many ones are here? Yes, 3 ones. Okay, 3 ones. So, here is 1, here is 10 and here 100 and here 1000. Okay, so now we discussed, yes, if we have a number then we can calculate, yes, how many thousands are there and how many hundreds are there and then how many tens are there, last one how many ones. Okay, so if we have a number then we can calculate, yes, how many thousands are there, then how many hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, clear? Okay, then all of you take the next page. Ready? Okay, bicycle. Abu, Joni and Balu bought bicycle. Okay, so the Abu, Joni and Balu bought bicycle. The price of Abu's bicycle is 3250. Okay, 50 rupees. He gave 3000 rupees notes, 200 rupee notes and 5 10 rupee notes. Okay, so the price of Abu's bicycle is 3250. Okay, for that he gave, yes, 3000 rupee notes. Okay, and then yes, 200 rupee notes and then yes, 5 10 rupee notes. Okay, so 3000s make 3000. Okay, and 200s make, yes, 200 and the last one 5 tens, yes, 50. So total 0, 5, 2 and 3. So the total rupee is 3,250. Okay, clear? Next is a question. Johnny gave 3,000 rupee notes, 400 rupee notes and 5 10 rupee notes. What is the price of his bicycle? So we want to calculate the price of his bicycle. So he gave 3,000 rupee notes. Okay, then he gave, yes, 400 rupee notes. Then last he gave 5 10 rupee notes. Okay, so we want to calculate the total price of his bicycle. Okay, so 3,000 make, yes, 3,000. Okay, 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000, 3,000. And then 400. Yes, 400 rupees make, yes, 400. Okay, and then last one, 5 tens. Yes, what is 5 tens? Yes, 50. Okay, so the total price is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 4, 4 and 3. Okay, so the total price is 3,450. Okay, so all of you write the in figures 3,450. Finish? Okay, and then in words. Okay, so in words, the write, yes, 3,000 and then, yes, 400, 50. Okay, so 3,450. Okay, clear? Okay, so next 4 activities, page number 16 and 17. Next 4 activities are your homework. Today we studied, if we have a 4-digit number, then we can calculate, yes, how many thousands are there, and then how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones are there. Okay, so if we have a 4-digit number, then we can, yes, understand how many thousands are there and how many hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, thank you.